the queen of the fruit, mangosteen. The mangosteen leaves are shining, and the peach, the leaves are long and soft, and this is the pear, and this is the plum. The plum leaves are short and these are delicate, and this is Rama phal, Lakshman phal, Sita phal, Hanuman phal. This is Singapore cherry, Barbados cherry, and the pomelo and orange are thornless, whereas lemons are thorns. Welcome to Nature and Nature by. The main purpose of this video is just to show you and differentiate different exotic fruits with their leaves, because it is very difficult to find to identify some of fruits with their leaves or with the plants. So I have some exotic collection, number of different temperate fruits and some are subtropical fruits. So without any further delay, let's move on the video. So let's start with the queen of the fruit, mangosteen. The mangosteen leaves are so shining and these are very thick, and the young leaves are brown in color and the flowers are red in color, as you can see, reddish pink. And here is the Indian pear. The leaves are medium size with serrated margin, and these are dark green color on both sides, and the flowers are white in color. And here is the peach. The leaves are long and narrow, and these are very delicate and very easy to identify, and the flowers are pinkish in color, and it is a medium sized tree. The leaves of plum and peach both are same, but the leaves of this plum is small and the leaves arrange in a circular manner, as you can see here, and the flowers are white in color. And this is cocoa, and the cocoa leaves are so long and it is very easy to identify because it's long, and the young leaves are brown color, same that of mango. And here is the avocado. The avocado leaves are big, green, thick and shining, and the stem is also green, as you can see here. The stem is also green, and this is the grafted one. And here is another fruit imported from Thailand, the dragon fruit, and there is no leaves because leaves are reduced to spines, as you can see here. And here is the star fruit or carambola. The leaves of this plant are small and they are oppositely arranged, and we can see the inflorescent flowers with fruits because this is the grafted one, so it have fruits and flowers in the smallest. And here is another exotic and very rare fruit, and the leaves are so big, the noni or cheese fruit. As you can see, the fruits are so tight, and this is a very large tree. And here is the miracle fruit. The leaves are somewhat rough in texture, and the young leaves are brown as that of mango. Here is one of the emerging fruit, rambutan. The fruit is quite similar to lychee, and it is very easily identified because the leaves are so unique to identify. And this one is the lychee. As previously I told, it is similar, the fruits are similar to the rambutan, and the lychee leaves are so shining and medium size. And here is one spice plant, the cardamom or elaichi. The plant is look like as that of grass, but the main important part of this plant is at the base, because it multiply and the fruit or flower will come from the base part only. So the base is more important than the leaf. And this is the Barbados cherry, one of the highest vitamin C content plant, and this is a medium sized tree, and the young leaves are pink and the flowers are also pink in color. This is the kadamba plant with a big leaf with white venation, and this is the favorite plant of Lord Krishna. And here is the Indian badam. The leaf of this plant are quite rough in texture, and the stem is also brownish in color, and the inflorescence are so long as that of catkin. And here is the king of fruit, mango, and I think it doesn't require any introduction because the bacha can easily identify mango tree in a garden. This is a normal lemon which is available in the market, and we can easily identify because the lemon plant have thorns, as you can see here, and the leaves are two, as you can see, one small leaf here and big leaf. And this is the seedless lemon. The seedless lemon are also thorns, and the leaves are somewhat serrated and the larger, and the thorns are there. So this is a seedless lemon. One can easily identify orange and quinoa plant because the leaves are single and we do not find that secondary leaf, and all the orange and quinoa are thornless, as there is no thorns in this. And this is the pomelo. Pomelo leaves are big and these are also double, and these are also thornless. which is quite opposite to that lemon, because lemon leaves are same but they are small and they have thorns. And this is the rough lemon. See, the pomelo and rough lemon are same, but the rough lemons have long leaf and they have thorns which are absent in the pomelo. And this is totally new to citrus group. This is kumquat, also known as sweet lemon. The leaves are narrow and small, and these are also thornless, which is quite new and very interesting. This is kiwi plant. The leaves are big with a small hair on the surface of the leaf. Apple leaves are small with white coating on the underside of the leaf. And this is bilva or bell. We can easily identify with 3 leaves, but nowadays single leaf, 13 leaves, 9 leaves, as you can see, are also available. And this is the cashew plant. One can easily identify cashew plant because the leaves are so big and it looks dry in appearance, so one can easily identify. And this is the grapes, and grapes leaves are also rough in texture and they have different shape, and with serrated margin one can easily identify it. And this is the tamarind plant. The young leaves are brownish color and I think it is easily identifiable, but some people get confused with that of amla leaf because both are same, but the amla leaves are quite small and these are long and more in number when compared to that of tamarind. And here is the Indian gooseberry, and the leaves are so big and these are so soft and somewhat light green in color. And this is the fig, common anjeer. The leaves are also so different with serrated margin and leaves are rough in appearance. And this is another variety in fig, which is known as a fig excel. And here is the sapota or chiku. The leaves are narrow and shining, but here is the interesting one. This is a variegated one, because the variegated sapota is quite totally new and the fruit will be normal as that of normal chiku. And here is the Singapore cherry or Jamaican cherry. These are also small leaves, but the leaves are rough in texture with serrated margin, as you can see here. And this is the caranda plant. One can easily identify caranda because the mid-rib of the leaves are white in color and these have thorns, so one can easily identify. No doubt. And here is the normal guava leaf, as you can see every year. But the interesting is black guava. See, the leaves are totally black in color and it's not brownish, it's a brownish, and the backside is also brown color. And here is the variegated guava. So it's quite so interesting to see different species in guava. And here is the water apple. In water apple we have red, white, pink, and the leaves are so big and these are thick and green, dark green in color, and it is quite similar to that of jamun, so don't confuse. And this is the wood apple. Very easy to identify because the leaves are small and it have thorns and the stem is also white in color, so one can easily identify wood apple. And here is the jackfruit. This is the normal one, everywhere available, we can see here. But this is the breadfruit. It is one of the different species in jackfruit. So these are mainly used for curries, and the leaves are finger like with you can see the serrated margin on this. And this is Indian desi bear, which are easily available. The leaves are small and they have thorns on it. And here is the hybrid one. These are thornless and these fruits are big, and we can see the backside leaves are somewhat brownish in color, then thorns are there is no thorns, and you can see the fruits. And here is the ramafal. The ramafal and the leaf of the ramafal are quite big, and it is same it is looking like that of mango leaf, so don't confuse. And here is the Lakshman fal, and the Lakshman fal, the leaves are thick and these are shining, and we can't see the venations here. And here is the Sitafal, known as custard apple. The leaves are oppositely arranged and these are dark green in color, so it's all about. So thank you so much for watching till the end. You can also ask me questions related to plants, nature and landscaping on my Instagram. I will keep the link in the description. So if you find this video is informative, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if not. So thank you.